Good morning everyone. I am Dr. D. Saitharan, Postgraduate Department of Pediatrics, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Today I am here to discuss something about Autism Awareness Week, which is celebrated on April 2nd every year. Autism spectrum disorder is a biologically based neurodevelopmental disorder which is characterized by persistent deficits in social communication, social interaction and persistent repetitive restricted pattern of behavior and activities. Every year April 2nd we celebrate Autism Spectrum Awareness Day to encourage people with autism. Since 2012, United Nations is giving a theme every year to celebrate Autism Awareness Day. This year, that is on 2021 April 2nd, United Nations has given a theme of challenges and opportunities in post-pandemic world. 1 in every 160 children is diagnosed to have autism around 2 years of age. Primary healthcare provider can easily diagnose autism spectrum disorder through behavioral and developmental screening combined with clinical judgment. A child with autism is generally noticed to have a typical speech pattern, delay in development of speech, inability to maintain and respond to a conversation, inability to maintain a eye-to-eye contact, inability to express emotionally. Children with autism spectrum disorder should have their intervention very early in their age. Ignorance of these symptoms may lead to development of anxiety disorders, obsessive compulsive disorders, sleep disorders, seizure disorders and obesity. Goals of the treatment of autism spectrum disorders are to improve social skills, adaptive skills, communication skills and to decrease the negative behavior and to increase their academic activity and academic performance. Treatment of autism spectrum disorder is a multidisciplinary approach involving the teacher, pediatrician, speech therapist and the psychologist working together with the individual, parents and the caregiver to improve his quality of life and help the child to achieve his complete potential. Thank you.